What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy GK Rico Diego Fuego with SGK TV with another review back to back. I figured these joints would be dope after doing the introductory welcome back video with my custom prototype slash the 9010s. Now we got the 2019 Swoosh pack in black with the rose gold, the white gold, and the yellow gold, and any other ones that you can fit from any other pack on the Velcro with a couple of touches of my own, as you guys can see. So I hope you guys appreciate the video. Like, share, comment, hashtag MOB fuck a bitch, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Alright, let's do this setup for you guys, man. Stick on the Air Force One wave, you dig? Sleepers. What up, cuz? But you guys slept on the Swoosh pack almost 2 years ago. Now they're going for like 600. This is my favorite Swoosh back. So since I was showing you guys the prototypes or the lane that I was going in as far as the custom sneakers. And by the way, it's not just the custom sneakers. I'm doing my own sneaker line. You understand? But so we're gonna stick with the Uptown wave, you dig? My favorite Swoosh pack so far. Alright, fish plate. Damn. Did you guys really sleep? Did you guys really sleep on these, man? I hope not. I got the Tinker joints over there, the white and red. Switchable with these. Let's pull both of them joints out real quick. You know what I'm saying? '90-10 King as always. You dig what I'm saying? You see the lace tips on these as well, gold. You know what I'm saying? You see I have the gold laces for these hoes as well. You know what I'm saying? I might just keep the black laces and put the gold dubrays right here. Or I might just put the gold laces, the leather gold tip laces on these with the black dubray with the yellow diamonds on them. You feel me? You feel me? Talking about. Let's see if I can see it from there. SGK TV network. Yours truly, Diego Fuego, GK. And these are the fuck a bitch reviews, you heard? These are the other ones they come with. So you do have the white gold, the rose gold, something else, just in case, and the yellow gold. Bang, bang. Rock them like that. You can put the red ones, the white ones, the blue ones, the cement ones on here from the Tinker line as well, from the Swoosh pack, from the sale, and the white ones. These black ones to me are the favorite ones. Quick review, fam. black, really good quality. When they do them LV7s at 130 and shit like that, they don't play with the quality, man. As far as with the forces, added patent leather on the tongue, on the ticket, Nike Air. Patent leather on the back as well. Stitched embroidered in black. Lights on too. All black, clean joints. Yeah, we got the gold tips on them. Put the little tag on them because it's a brand that I really, really fuck with. So shout out to Dirty Robbers Denim Company. I fucks with them heavy, always have. They just stole everything I had from them. But I still had this, and bang, bang. It looks great. I put the tips on them, yeah. You know what I'm saying? For the gold joints. I could do one platinum, one gold, you know, switch gold, platinum. But I got the cement, the white, the red, the gold, the white gold, the rose gold. So you can do a lot with these. And the quality is on point. Again, fuck a BH review, MOB hashtag in the comments. Newport. That's what sold me. The patent leather on the back. And when people sleep, they sleep, man. And I love it. I take advantage of it. Clean. Back in the days, I never liked forces. It was all black. You dig what I'm saying? They just didn't feel good. They creased really horribly. They just didn't add up or even come close to a clean pair of white Uptowns at all. These, take the swooshes out and the Velcro and all that. It's a different quality. Of course, this is Air Force One Premium 3s. 07 LV8 Premium 3s. You dig what I'm saying? So, you have to jump on it, you know what I'm saying? You need a jewelry cloth to wipe the motherfucking swooshes off these motherfuckers and clean them up, you dig what I'm saying? And hey, there you go, man. Look. Was an easy wave, right? Easy wave, right? Shit, papo, shit. What you guys think? Put the gold Dubrays on here, right? Or put the gold. These are gold leather laces with gold lace tip laces that came with these 1 out of 88, the remade X400 ml or milliliter joints, original, authentic, with certificate and all that. The gold laces on them hoes. I'll leave the black laces and switch the Dubrays accordingly to what type of swoosh you snap on these hoes. Comment below, I don't know. You guys let me know and let me know how you feel about it. Black light ain't gonna do shit to these, but just to give you guys a preview, since we was talking about 9010s, we do have the original Air Force One 9010s. For the next episode. Does have that that clout type of feel. 90-10, so the rest is up to me to customize. These are the ones I was going to use, or I am going to use for the Louis joints. Like the little one right there. Yeah. And you know, you got the patches and you got the pins and all that for these as well. You know what I'm saying? So this will be the next video. But yeah, this video was for the Swoosh Pack 2019, the Premium 3 joints. You know what I'm saying? And with my own little hip taste to them, you know what I'm saying? And all of this shit, the new desert boots, a lot of this shit, a lot of this Supreme, I'm not too big on that, but a lot of all this new shit I popped. Some shit that I never even showed you guys that didn't get stolen as well. Shit like that. Look at that. Look at that. What does that say? Yeah, the bitch sold them at a pawn shop. Returned to me by the police. We'll get into those into the live, but we got a lot of work and reviews. We will do the Porsche versus Ferrari as far as the Puma sail joints. Jump on these guys. These joints is fire, man. You feel me? It don't gotta be the Ferrari joints. The OG ones, those are fire. That's what's next. Or comment. Jordan, Yeezy, Desert Boot, black, or the gray ones. New Power Phase color, the Power Phase suede ones. Holla at me. Again, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, fuck with your boy, share this shit, MOB, hashtag fuck a bitch. Stay tuned. This is SGK TV. It's your boy GK, and I'm out. You see what time it is. Peace. Keep it a buck. Studio coming along. Yes. Love you guys. Blessings from the heart. MOB, fuck a bitch. Stay trill. 1. Gold laces on these. Maybe you want to do rose gold or white gold. If you want to go grab some laces, go to Rope Lace Supply. They're gonna have the leather laces for you. They're gonna have the satin laces for you. They're gonna have the off-white laces for you. Got to recop the off-white UNCs, the off-white Presto white, black, and OGs, and the off-white Chicago OGs. I can't do that. They're up to 4,000 or 5,000 now, so you got to take that L. But in the civil court, that will be taken care of. You dig? So again, hashtag MOB fuck a bitch. If you understand where we're going with this, with the men's rights movement. Good pickup with the $5 discount from Verizon and with the 15 or 20% off discount code. So make sure you follow me on Twitter. That way you can follow my Discord groups that I'm in, and you can get the early links and the discount codes and all that shit. And all that information is below. Alright fam, peace. I said it enough. Let me know what you guys think about these, because they're fire and super sleepers. 1.